Scots, welcome to Scots Weekly, and I'm Johnny Vargas.
And I'm Maylinda Fogel.
Softball season is around the corner. Stop by 7K and sign up with your QR code at the door. Preconditioning will begin the week of November 14, 2022. Make sure you complete your Sportsnet account and have a physical on file before November 14.
Sophomores and juniors, the ROC CTEC application is now open for next school year. Visit the ROC website to complete your application before the deadline on March 9th.
Congrats to the library for our top 10 readers from last month's challenge. They will receive a pizza party. Join us for November's reading challenge, Family Stories. Welcome to the library, or go to the library webpage for more info and to sign up. Happy reading.
Our club will meet again on November 15th and 8 a.m.
Now it's time for a quick scary story.
Scary stories. Long ago, when I was a young boy, traveling through the woods behind my grandparents' house, and I came across this old, broken wooden home. I heard this voice. It said, "I got you where I want you, and now I'm gonna eat you." I got scared, so I ran inside the house to get away from the voice. And as I was looking around the living room, I heard the voice again, even louder this time. "I got you where I want you, and now I'm gonna eat you." Started to get really terrified, so I quickly ran up the stairs and found myself in a long, dark hallway. I started walking towards the end of it, saw the door cracked, and I thought somebody might be inside to help me. Suddenly, I heard the voice again, even louder this time. "I got you where I want you, and now I'm gonna eat you." I quickly ran into the room. Suddenly, the lights all flickered on, and I saw this old, tall, slender, gross man. And he turned towards me with his long, slender, bony finger with a giant, crusty booger on the end of it. And the last thing I remember is him saying, "I got you where I want you, and now I'm gonna eat you."
Welcome back, Scots.
Here's a quick reminder that students can't park their vehicles in front of the library and parking lot in front of the admin/office.
If you decide to park in these areas, you will be ticketed from our police officer at Highland.
The class of 2025 presents an Enchanted Sadie Hawkins dance.
November 17th at Highlands Cafeteria from 5:30 p.m. to 7:30 p.m.
The tickets pre-sale will be November 3rd through November 17th for $10, and at the door will be $15.
That's it for our show.
Have a nice weekend.